Are you guys washing all the animals? Yeah. Here, put it in. Yeah, put it in. Jack, put it in. Wash the animals. Give them a bath. Good job. You guys are cleaning. Savannah, can you put the washcloth in?
Oliver, no.
Oliver, no, thank you. Good job. Just give the animals a bath. Here, I'll take this one. Thanks. Can I have that one?
Margot, no, thank you.
Thank you. Oh, good job giving the animals a bath. Yeah, a bath. Say hi, Miss Nicole. Look, she's watching us. Oh, got a pot in there. Oh, you cleaning them all? Good job washing. Can I help you? Oh, good sharing. Oliver, would you like a turn with the pan? Can Oliver try? Thank you. Here, Oliver. Oh. What are you cooking? You guys are gonna be all wet. Are you getting the animals nice and clean? Oh, do you have a dolphin? Yeah, a dolphin. Good job, friends. Can we say bye? Say bye.